Let's start exercise 4.1. In exercise 4.1, the first question is construct the following quadrilateral, and the quadrilateral name is given ABCD and the various names are given. So you have to make this quadrilateral. So to make this quadrilateral, you will make a rough figure first. So what do? You will make a rough figure on the right side in the right column, the column which I told you. In that column you will make a rough figure. So I will draw any shape quadrilateral and I will call it ABCD, because in the question it is given draw the quadrilateral ABCD. So this is a rough figure I am showing you. So you make any quadrilateral, then call it A, B, C, D. The rough figure should not be big. Try to make it around 3 to 4 centimeter bigger. So quadrilateral is A, B, C, D. It is given AB is equal to 4.5. So in rough you just write down the measurements. AB is given 4.5, BC is given 5.5, then CD is given 4. So I am seeing the question and I am keep on writing the numbers. AD is equal to 6. Then it is given AC is equal to 7. So this AC is given 7 centimeter. So this is our rough figure ready. Once our rough figure is ready, now we will see this rough figure and make our main figure. So all the measurements which will be done with the help of the rough figure. So your rough figure will be on one column on one side. Now I don't have to read the question. I will just see my rough figure and I will do it. So using a scale and pencil, you will draw a line using a scale, measure 4.5 centimeter. Now the remaining part you will use compass. It is given draw BC 5.5. So from B we will measure with compass 5.5 centimeter. Using pencil and compass you will measure 5.5, and from point B, from here you will put the compass here and draw an arc. The arc will come here. This is 5.5. Now put the compass at point A. Put the compass at point A, and from here, from point A you will draw an arc 7 centimeter, and then using scale you will draw a line, and this is 7 centimeter, and then join BC. So your figure is coming just like your rough figure. So you know now we have made one part of the figure ABC. So ABC we have already made. ABC. Now we have to make the remaining part of the figure. Remaining part of the figure means CDA. Now we will measure in compass 4 centimeter. Keep the compass at point C and draw an arc from C. So from C you will draw an arc CD. So from C you keep the compass at C and then draw an arc 4 centimeter. Then keep the compass at point A and cut an arc 6 centimeter. So from A I have made 4 centimeter, and from A I have made 6 centimeter. So the figure is complete. So your main figure is A, B, C, D. You can see that the figure is A, A, B, and then this point is C, and this point is D. So this is C here and this is D here. Now what happens when you draw this figure? Then your rough figure is on the right side. Rough figure also you will show, and the fair figure also you will show. So you have to keep compass and then measure with the compass and make the part of the figure. So BC means you will measure this distance with the help of, you have to measure this distance with the help of compass, this distance with the help of compass, AD with the help of compass, and everything. So this is how we make the figure.